Hello AI enthusiasts and tech trailblazers. Today's video is really going to be awesome. As you guys know that MidJourney is no more free. For this reason, free users cannot generate any more images from Discord. Today's video is a solution of that. Video is going to be straight into the points. So if you haven't liked and subscribed, do it now. You won't regret it. I am giving away ChatGPT Plus account. To check that out, click onto the I button. So let's head into our video. If we look at MidJourney's pricing, it is at least $10 a month, which may not be affordable to students. So to fix this, go to this site. Its link will be provided in the video's description. Download the file as your device. As I am on PC, I am downloading the PC file. It will redirect you to Google Drive link. Download it. The files are not mine. The credit goes to Nolan AATAMA. So now go to Google and search Google Colab. Click the first link and upload the file which you have just downloaded. You have nothing to do but click on the play button icon from here and wait 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes is a very short time. If you do this locally on your own computer, this would take up to 20 minutes if you don't have a GPU. So there is no limits or restrictions in the creation. You can generate anything from here unlimited. It will require nothing but a Gmail account and a free space in Google Drive of 100 KB. You can again do it whenever you want. While installation, you can just subscribe, like and post a nice comment on the video. It really motivates. When it is done, you can see a public recommended link in the console. Click on the link, and your unlimited MidJourney is here. It is not actually MidJourney. It is called OpenJourney, and it runs on Stable Diffusion. It is basically a Stable Diffusion model, very close to MidJourney. The creations look very similar to MidJourney's. So let's give it a prompt, and let's see. It is looking like the MidJourney cat which I generated a few days back. Go to your drive to see your Colab file, where you do it again by opening the same file. So you have nothing to do but like, subscribe, share it with AI lovers and comment. We'll meet with you with a nice video again. Bye.